So we will drive here.
Yeah, we can.
Like Formula 1. What's up guys, Ivan here, sorry for the wind. So this is the only in Europe, only one, the AMG Brand Center in Gdańsk in Poland. And wow, can you see the GTR there? It's just fantastic. This will light up at the night. So wow, just incredible. Look here, they have a A35. I think this is a test car. Gdańsk Witman. And also thanks to the Michal Maksimiuk, I will leave his Instagram on the screen, and he was very kind to make this happen so I can visit this showroom and film here. I want to show you, I'm waiting now for employee because they have a meeting, so I just want to show you the showroom from outside and inside. And inside I will do probably voiceover. So together it's Mercedes-Benz, and here is the AMG and the AMG Brand Center. There are only, there are only 5 in the world, or 6. Tokyo, Shanghai, Beijing, Sydney, and this is only one in Europe so far. Also there will be more, I think, in Europe, maybe in Germany or England, in big countries. But yeah, now it's in Poland. The first time it was open in February, so it's pretty new. It's like not even like 5 months old, 4 months old. So just looks stunning. They have also the test car here.
With this pedal you can do this.
With this also?
Yes, of course. Do you see?
Yeah, this. Okay. So
it's a traffic jam, perfect. At this time. Oh my god. So it will be only one possible road here.
Okay, so I need to go here.
Watch out for this thing going.
Mm-hmm. Cyclist.
Yeah, they're crazy.
We don't have so many cyclist route. Okay. So how long is the test drive?
We'll see. Because of the traffic jams here, so
Okay.
the video will be. Tell me what you want.
Oh, we can talk if it's traffic jam. I chose, do you like more petrol or diesel?
Sorry?
If you like more the diesel engine or the petrol?
Oh, I think I prefer petrol because of the sound of the AMG. It's like, oh my gosh, amazing. I can't even describe the feeling when you change a gear or yeah, on the sport mode, of course.
Yeah.
When the shifting down of the gears here is perfect. On the Sport Plus, it's like, oh.
I think this is enough, like enough fun.
Yeah.
Even though this is like basic AMG.
Mm-hmm. It's the
But
entry
this is-
performance, but it's
yeah,
perfect
yeah.
anyway. Yeah, I know.
45 will be in 2 days revealed
Mm-hmm.
in Goodwood Festival Speed in UK.
Whoa, wow. Could you repeat, please?
Yeah.
In the 2 days it will be here,
Yeah.
A45.
Yes,
Really, I'm going to the Goodwood.
so it will be there.
Really?
It was also on the Instagram page, Mercedes AMG. If you check, there is like a small,
But
like
I didn't
15
know about
seconds.
Goodwood.
Also 45S. So 45 will be 387 horsepower
Yeah, I know.
and S 421. It's crazy number.
But could you pair it with S 422? I've heard.
21 in
Okay.
German, but it's
21.
the same.
Yeah.
Even this, they put this in on the like a roller
Mm-hmm.
where they measure the engine horsepower, and this had in the Germany had 330,
Okay.
and on the paper is only 306. So
Okay.
in real life this was more powerful.
Are you going to Goodwood?
I'm not going.
Okay. It's my first time and I'm very excited. Oh, yeah.
was in Geneva Motor Show.
Oh, really?
I
would
was
like to go.
I was in Mercedes for 6 hours instead.
So why do you like Mercedes?
Why I like?
Yeah, why this particular brand?
I don't know, it's very exciting. It's everything, it's pretty.
Yeah, so you've got the same situation like me.
It's like everything in one car.
The sun is too bright to see the colors.
Yeah. But even now you can see.
Yeah, a little bit, yes. Do you know about that? The heating? Yeah, because you put it.
Setup.
Oh yeah, it's perfect for me.
Racing.
Yes. But we should be right now on the Nürburgring. Definitely.
Yes. You have in Kielce you have a race circuit.
Yes. And I was there.
Yeah, I
this
saw.
car also. So that was the best experience ever. Not on these lights, but in the second we will turn right on this fastest road. And then you can turn on the sport.
Okay. I can go the green.
Yes, you can, but you have to watch for these cars you have here. Everywhere right now there are traffic jams. So you can go on the left side of the road. Yeah.
Here?
Yes. And on the roundabout you could turn the same way and a few times, because here we've got traffic jam and here. So everywhere. This is the best road here.
So we will drive here.
Yeah. We can
Like
few times if
Formula
you want.
1.